Dear children, we were learning about trees, what they give us, and how do we harm them. So we had discussed the things that tree provides us. So now if you can see, there are two pictures. This is picture 1 and this is picture 2. So let us see what we have to do. Look at the two pictures, find 4 things that are different about these trees and talk about them. So you have to carefully look the two pictures. This is picture 1. See, there are certain differences, and this is picture 2. So you have to see the two pictures and you have to write the differences you can see. So let us quickly discuss that. See, this tree is very happy, this tree is smiling, this tree is sad, it is weeping, and this tree gives many things. You can see that this tree is happy and is giving so many things. Okay, and the child is also happy near the tree, but here all the birds are going away from the tree, so tree is not happy. There is one fire going on, so if the fire is there, so it will harm the tree definitely. When fire is there, so wood burns. So this stem is also made up of wood, so this harms. So let us discuss here picture 1 and picture 2. So I'll give you a chance to discuss. Okay, so this is how we discussed. In picture 1, tree gives us many essential things. In picture 1, you can see that the tree gives us so many essential things. This is very useful to us. And how do we harm is shown in picture 2. How we harm the trees in many ways. The picture 2 shows that how we means human beings, harm the trees in many ways. You can see these many ways we can harm the trees, and we are harming the trees. Next, tree gives us medicines. You can see here, tree gives us medicines. And in picture 2, if you see, we are bringing wood around it. So see, we are bringing wood. We cut trees to take wood, and from wood we make furniture. That is there that the tree helps us in many ways, but sometimes human beings exploit the tree so much that the balance of the environment gets hampered. You can see the fire here also. This also affects the tree. Next, in picture 1, stem and leaves of the tree are smiling. See, stems, these leaves, this trunk, these are all happy in picture 1. But let us see in picture 2. Stems and leaves of the tree are sad and weeping. So as clearly you can see that in picture 2, these leaves, stem and trunk all are sad, all are weeping. Okay, see this weeping. Okay, last one, birds are happy in the nest. So if you can see that birds are happy, they have made their nest. No, so if the bird is happy, then only the bird will make nest. So in this picture 1, birds are happy in their nest. But in picture 2, birds are moving away from trees due to problems created by human beings. So here birds are going, because if the bird is happy, they will make the nest. But if the birds are not happy, they are going away. They are going away. Why? Because human beings have cut the trees. They have put on the fire. They have used the trees parts for making. You can see this rubber tire, rubber, etc. So the birds are moving. They are leaving. I hope this discussion was fruitful. So that was basically a discussion part which I wrote just to make you understand clearly. But now you have to do this activity in your notebooks. I will send it separately in WhatsApp group so that you can do it easily in your notebooks. Today's task is write what trees gives us and how do we harm trees. So you have to basically tell the difference and tell the things that trees gives us and how do we harm the trees. So if you remember that we had already done one activity in which we had discussed what tree gives us. I'll show you that picture again. So here, if you remember, we had done this activity earlier. So plant or tree gives us fruits, vegetables, furniture, glue, wood, grains, paper, and medicine. So though they give us glue, wood, furniture, etc., but sometimes human beings, what they do, they exploit the trees for their purpose, their means. Okay, so that is why the tree you saw in picture 2 was sad. So I'm just giving you some examples what I had pointed. You may have other answers as well. If the answer is related and relevant, I'll give you marks. So what tree gives us? Tree gives us fruits and vegetables. Trees gives us fresh oxygen. The tree gives wood and shelter. They provide us with medicine. So you may add on some other things that tree gives us, or you may simply alternate the my options. Okay. And now how we harm the trees? We cut plants for burning. Yes, we cut plants to take wood and to burn the wood. We cause pollution by setting up industries. We pluck leaves for feeding domestic animals. We cut trees to make houses. Okay. So now we can start the discussion again if you have any problem. Okay. Thank you.